Hi there! Analyzing the overall strategy behind page creation to quickly identify errors in keyword research and content development. This is the great innovation brought by a URL Inspector, the new SEOZoom tool you can find within the Pages section of every project. It is a feature that requires advanced professional expertise, which is precisely why it is crucial to specify that the data must be always contextualized and further processed. When launched, URL Inspector scans all the pages of the site that are currently ranked in SERP and all their keywords positioned. First, the tool allows us to identify whether we have optimized titles and URL in comparison to the main competitors. We can see if we have hit the top keywords, the one with the highest estimated traffic, or if the strategy so far is out of focus and therefore a turnaround is needed to try to gain higher positions for more interesting keywords. In the general dashboard, we see 4 boxes, which inform us about total number of pages analyzed, percentage of optimized URLs out of the total, and then pages with the most searched keyword already used in the URL, and pages where the most searched keyword was not used in the URL. These last 2 fields are clickable and allow us to filter the data so that we only see the list of URLs on which we intend to focus our attention. It is precisely on the pages that are not perfectly optimized that we should intervene, studying the correct adjustments and, above all, verifying that the tool's automated suggestions are in line with the actual intent of the content and the goals set upstream in the strategy. Going ahead, there is another area where we can get profitable data. By analyzing both optimized and unoptimized URLs, we can filter the view to get ideas for new content. In this field, SEOZoom shows us a list of all the keywords we could use in a new in-depth content related to a topic. After analyzing the possible presence of pages with similar content, our algorithm advises us to consider creating a new, more specific page to compete for a keyword not fully met with the previous content. Still in this area, we can check if there actually are pages with similar content to be managed effectively to avoid cannibalization. We also see what is the level of optimization achieved by competitors through the reporting of the number of competitor pages that use the keyword in the title, which can give us more or less chance of reaching the Google Top 10 with adequate content. The level of competition and keyword optimization can be viewed in the table through the TM and PM columns. Title match informs us of the number of pages in Google's top 10 that have the exact match in the title, and thus use the keyword exactly as it is in the title. While partial match lets us know how many pages in percentage use the keyword partially or with variance. So, what is the tool for? URL Inspector is designed to help us professionally work on sites, particularly on client sites, since it is used to solve a huge problem we frequently run into in the early stages of a new collaboration. Identifying the type of strategy adopted in the past as far as keyword research and content creation go, particularly with respect to optimization choices for the title and URL. Thanks to this tool, we can find all the strategic issues with advanced level indications and suggestions to evaluate whether it is necessary to change the URL, modify titles and tags, make 301s toward more strategic pages, or to completely modify the strategy, like creating in-depth articles to better intercept keywords. URL Inspector is one of SEOZoom's most powerful tools, but it is extremely complex and it's designed for experienced users since it requires insight and advanced analytical skills. One should not automatically and simplistically apply the inputs it provides, because it would not be enough to just add the most searched keyword in the URL or title for a page to be considered optimized. The tool is intended as a broader evaluation, which also takes into account factors such as site characteristics, level of competitors in the niche, and last but not least, business choices. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.